Want to cast YouTube from your Android phone to your Google TV? If you want to watch videos on a bigger screen or share something with others, casting from Android to Google TV is super easy. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to do it step by step. Let's get started. First, make sure your Android phone and Google TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now, open the YouTube app on your Android. Start playing any video. Then, at the top of the screen, you'll see a small cast icon. It looks like a TV with Wi-Fi waves. Tap on it. A list of available devices will appear. From the list, choose your Google TV. After a second or two, your iPhone will connect to the TV. If you have multiple YouTube accounts, you may need to follow a sign-in method each time you cast. Otherwise, it will instantly start playing on your Google TV screen. Once the cast starts, your phone becomes a full remote. You can play and pause, control the TV volume, and do many other things with your phone after this. Explore it as you go. If you want to stop casting, tap the cast icon again, and then tap this device. And that's it. That's how you cast YouTube from your Android phone to your Google TV. If this guide helped you out, hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. See you in the next one.